इस एरो शो के दौरान पीएम मोदी ने संबोधित करते हुए कहा कि देश में रक्षा उत्पादन को दोगुना करना है और रक्षा उत्पादन क्षेत्र में नौकरियों के मौके पर उन्होंने कहा कि टेक्नोलॉजी डेवलपमेंट फंड बना दिया गया है, साथ ही एक्सपोर्ट नीति को भी सरल बनाया गया है। एयर शो को संबोधित करते हुए उन्होंने कहा कि भारत में कारोबार की अपार संभावनाएं हैं, मौके हैं और आयात घटाने से ही रोजगार के अवसर पैदा होंगे। उन्होंने कहा कि रक्षा क्षेत्र में विदेशी निवेश भी बढ़ाया गया है।
That show that even a 20 to 25% reduction in imports could directly create an additional 100,000 to 120,000 highly skilled jobs in India. If we could raise the percentage of domestic procurement from 40% to 70% in the next 5 years, we would double the output in our defense industry. Imagine the impact in terms of jobs created directly in the related manufacturing and services sector. Think of the spin of benefits on other sectors in terms of advanced materials and technologies. That is why we are focusing on developing India's defense industry with a sense of mission. This is why it is at the heart of our Make in India program. We are reforming our defense procurement policies and procedures. With a strong defense industry will not only be more secure, it will also reap rich economic benefits. It can boost investment, expand manufacturing, support enterprise, raise the technology level, and increase economic growth in the country. In India, the defense industry in the government sector alone employs nearly 200,000 workers and thousands of engineers and scientists. They produce an output of nearly $7 billion annually. It also supports a very large pool of small and medium enterprise. Our defense industry in private sector is still small, but it already employs thousands of people.